Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix an Imou camera that's not connecting to Wi-Fi.
Fix 1. Check Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Make sure Wi-Fi is working on your phone. Step 2. Use 2. For gigahertz Wi-Fi. Imou cameras don't support 5 gigahertz. Step 3. Move the camera closer to the router. Fix 2. Restart camera and router. Step 1. Unplug the camera. Step 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Plug the camera back in and wait 1 to 2 minutes. Fix 3. Reset the Imou camera. Step 1. Press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 2. Wait for the voice prompt or blinking light. Step 3. Set up the camera again in the Imou Life app. Fix 4. Check Wi-Fi password. Step 1. Open the Imou Life app. Step 2. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Step 3. Avoid special characters if possible. Fix 5. Update Imou Life app. Step 1. Open Play Store/App Store. Step 2. Update the Imou Life app. Step 3. Reconnect the camera. Fix 6. Disable mobile data. Step 1. Turn off mobile data on your phone. Step 2. Connect phone to the same Wi-Fi. Step 3. Try adding the camera again.